Hi everybody, welcome to Vermin Hunters NE UK. As always, this is a pest control video, so you will see pest species legally controlled here in the UK. If you don't like this kind of stuff, please turn off now. Hi everybody, welcome to Vermin Hunters NE UK. First of all, I want to say a massive shout out to Jeff Pybus, aka the Rat Buster, and also to Highland Outdoors, who have very kindly supplied this RTI Profit P3 Compact Performance. This is in 2.2 flavour. Literally took it out of the box. I'm going to do a little bit of a review on it, but I'm not going to go into massive detail because what I like to do, and I'm sure you guys would like to see, is it actually in action. I'm going to be putting links in the video and in the description where you can go to Highland Outdoors website. There'll be a link in there as well, supplied by Jeff, for the Archon Zulus, which is an absolutely fantastic day and night scope. It's very similar to the pods, the actual unit that sits on top, not the add-ons, the 007s. It's like the 008s, but smaller. And as far as I'm concerned, the image that you get with it is absolutely second to none. If you dive over onto Jeff's channel, you can watch as many videos as he's got on there showing you it. Well worth the money. So back to this RTI. This one is the Compact Performance, as I've said. It's got the 240cc 300 bar carbon fibre bottle. It comes like this with the compact barrel, but it is threaded for a suppressor. So it's 1/2 inch UNF connection. I've also got supplied the RTI Hush carbon suppressor that obviously I'm going to be using on this, and it makes a big difference. I'm going to do a dry fire like this and with the suppressor on, and I have measured it with a calibrated decibel meter, and the dBA like this was 82, and when I did it with the suppressor on, it reduced it down to 76. So there's a 6 decibel difference. That doesn't sound a lot, but if you want to Google it, all you need to double the noise level, no matter what it is, so if I'm at 80 dBA, all you need is 3 dBA. So 83 doubles the noise level that you hear. So in effect, it's reduced it times 2. It does make a big difference. There's lots and lots of information on the internet about this rifle. I'll put links in the description that you can follow to have a look at all the specs and everything. But very quickly, what you've got is this cheek riser, fully adjustable, 2 little Allen screws. I've set it up perfectly for myself. It is really comfortable, soft to touch. The grip here, exactly the same. It's rubberized, feels really nice, really good grip to it. The safety is here. So that's live now. Push it that way and it's in safe. Cocking mechanism on this side, it's got the biathlon lever, which simple pull back, and it's ambidextrous, this gun. You can switch things round. The magazine goes in this side here. I'll leave it like that just for now, because on this side you can see here we've got the pressure gauge for the bottle and the pressure gauge for the regulator. It's twin regulated, and if you look up the information, you'll see that it says that they've gone more for consistency of shot than power. So So long as there's enough to power the regulator, then you're going to be fine. What I've done, I've fitted the Hick Micro Alpex scope onto it. What I've also done is on the Picatinny rail here, which is a 20 to 150 MOA fully adjustable Picatinny rail. So if you're shooting longer distances, you can adjust it to how you want it so your scope sits right. And the reviews on this, it's won countless awards at the extreme bench rest competitions. People have been raving about it. So that's a great little feature on it. But I fitted also a connector. So when I'm out in the field, what I like to do is use a single point connection. Just pop that over, click that on, and it just hangs nicely. So there's plenty of space on this Picatinny to put on whatever attachment you like. It's got a small Picatinny underneath here that I've attached the bipod to. Personal choice, I think that could be a bit bigger. One thing that I'm not too sure on just as yet, but I want to try it out in the field, is to fill the bottle, you've got the Foster connector here, the quick coupling. Now, if you're going to put an extra Picatinny extender on there, it's going to cover that. So you're going to be taking it off, so on and so forth, when you're wanting to fill the bottle. It's no biggie for me because I don't necessarily want one on it, so just personal choices. So what I'll do now, the rifle's cocked. It is obviously no suppressor on the end, just to try and give you an idea on the kind of reduction in noise that this suppressor will do. So here we go. So that's without. And then if you just unscrew this, what I have also noticed is that this connector here, that also screws out. There's two little holes in the thread. I don't know if you can see those, but you can get an Allen key in there and take that out. So I've not looked into it, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get a different connector with a different thread size to put whatever moderator you've got onto it. So it's a nice little touch. So let's just pop this on. Right, make sure that's on tight enough. So here we go with the RTI Hush suppressor. So I hope you can tell from that there is a significant drop in the noise level. It's going to be even quieter when you're putting a pellet through it. So the magazines that are supplied, they're a really good design. They're similar to many others out there, where it's just a rotary. You spin it round like so. You'll get your first pellet, pop it in there, and then it holds it in place and you can fill the rest. So I've got two magazines with this. I've used the Hades and it absolutely loves these pellets. It's literally pellet on pellet. Really, really good rifle. Pellet for this rifle. So what I'm going to do now is I've got a night out with Jeff. We're going to have a go at the rats to start off with, and I'll make sure that I get plenty of that footage on. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. And again, massive thanks to Highland Outdoors and to Jeff Pybus, the Rat Buster. Please check out the links that I put in this video. They'll be dotted in the description and throughout the video. And get them checked out, guys. Thank you. Evening, everybody. I'm out with the main man himself, Jeff Pybus, aka the Rat Buster, and a subscriber to Jeff's channel, Mike. We're having an hour on the rats. I'm using the RTI Profit P3 in 2.2 flavour. This is the compact performance one. Massive thanks out to Highland Outdoors for the loan of this rifle. It's going to get put through its paces tonight on the rats. Then it's going to get took out on the squirrels. So fingers crossed, we have a cracking night tonight. Again, thanks to Jeff, Mike and Highland Outdoors. Cheers.
Yep.
Didn't shoot any ducks, mate.
I'll try not to, mate. These ducks need to get out of the way. Flip the fence, I think. Got that one. Oh, they're all sticking their head out now. Got that one. Got that one. This is using the RTI Profit P3 Hicalpex scope, shooting Hades. Another one side, yeah. I hit the fence. Hit the rat. Yards away, Stevie. What? Mistake for that, and Jeff. I think he's breakdancing.
To the right where you just shot that one, start to struggle through the mud. Here. That's Jeff as well.
Right, so you've seen the footage of the rats. Had a great night with Jeff Pybus, aka the Rat Buster, so thanks again Jeff, really appreciated. If you could check out the website Island Outdoors, if you're fancying one of these, please get in contact with them. Fantastic service. If you're wanting a very, very reasonably priced night and day scope, check the link out for the Orkan Zulus. Fantastic bit of kit, can't recommend it enough. So again, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm going to be doing plenty more videos with this, and during those videos I'll give a little bit more information on the rifle, how it's performing, so on and so forth during the shoots. So thank you very much.